Imagine you're at the scene of an emergency and someone has stopped breathing. Someone who has stopped breathing will probably suffer brain damage after about 4 minutes. The kiss of life puts air into the lungs until the causality can breathe again. Before we begin, I recommend watching this brief video demonstrating the kiss of life method for performing the CPR to better understand the technique. Now, let's go step by step. First, remove obvious obstructions from the face. With the head to the side, quickly clear the mouth of any foreign material. Then, with one hand on the forehead and the other hand under the neck, tilt the head backwards to open the airway. On your third step, take the hand from the neck and push the chin upwards. Pinch the nose closed with your fingers and blow in deeply. Give 4 full breaths as quickly as possible. For babies and small children, cover both nose and mouth and breathe gently. Next, after the 4 breaths, turn your head to watch the chest fall. When it does, breathe into the mouth again and continue at normal breathing rate. For babies and small children, breathe slightly more quickly than your normal rate. Finally, when breathing begins, put the casualty into the recovery position like this. In emergencies, knowledge is power. By learning these life-saving techniques, you're taking a crucial step toward being prepared when it matters most.